Morning viewers. Today I'm testing my drain inspection camera. I got a block kitchen gully. Actually I'm going to be testing two tools. Let's load it up. That's the culprit. That's the blocked gully. Looks like fat to me. Looks like lots of build-up fat or something. Oh, it looks like it's clearing. Oh, look at that. Can you believe it? No inspection needed. I didn't even need these. Just gonna pop that off for now, so no one can fall in. I might actually try that beast. There we are. Connecting drill. So I asked customer to boil some water, to boil a kettle for us. Gonna put some boiling water down the gully. Alright, let's give it a go. That stinks. That stinks as hell. Right, first attempt and it just falls off. So that fall off already. I'm not sure, is it split or is it supposed to be like that? So that was never been used before. I look inside. It's all brand new. So put some strong chemicals and I'm gonna put some boiling water just to dissolve some fat. So much stuff you need to simply clean the gully. So I set gas boiler hot water temperature to a maximum, which is 65 degrees on Valiant, and then pouring a kettle on top. That will eventually dissolve all the fat, which it has. It's draining quite nice. Water's nice and hot. It's dissolving fat instantly. Look at that. The grill is nice and clean. Right, let's fix that. I think that's simply popped off. It should be fine. Just put it back on. Put it back on. There's a handy hex key. Oh yeah, simply unscrew it. Screw it back on. You okay, Ridgid tools? They are really rigid. Peace of mind. I think I'm gonna keep it. Buy with confidence. Let's put it back in for the next customer. Stop recording. Result. So as you could see, I managed to clean it without the inspection camera. So it's just a fat buildup. Don't put your fats in the kitchen sink. Just put a kitchen towel in a bin and pour fat on the kitchen towels. It will absorb. So I'm gonna refund inspection camera because I didn't use it. I'm sorry, dear viewers, you weren't able to see my inspection camera, but I'll promise to do it next time when it comes to bigger blockage, more severe blockage. I did use it on my own drain. I managed to put about 30 meters in, which is quite good. 30 meters is quite a long distance for a 7mm rod. I'll see you on the next one.